studies, Sir Madam. My name is Grace Yvonne Cabisa. I'm 23 years old. I live in Sicuban, Carles, Iloilo. I'm single. I'm finished computer technology. And I am the second child of the family. And I help to my family and to my brothers and sisters.
Okay, so how many years did you study in college?
2 years.
That is a 2-year course. So, and then after working in college, after studying in college, what did you do?
I apply work to go Syria.
You went to
Syria.
Syria. And what did you do there?
I work as a caregiver.
You work as a caregiver. How many person are you serving?
What?
How many person did you serve there?
Only two.
Two.
One old woman and her son.
Okay, how old is grandma, the old woman?
82.
82 years old. And her son is
53.
working.
Yes.
Okay, so the old woman is bedridden?
Yes, she is.
She's a bedridden. Okay, so you mean to say that you need to carry her, transfer from bed to wheelchair like that?
Sometimes, but it just she can stand. Yeah, that's
With your
walk,
assistance?
Yeah.
Okay, so she needs your assistance.
Yeah.
Did you also prepare a special diet for her? So who cooked the food?
Sometimes me, sometimes her daughter.
Okay, but do you prepare or did you prepare special diet or special food for her?
Me,
No.
no. Her daughter.
Only the
Also,
daughter. Okay. How about the son? Usually
Son, no. He doesn't care. He's a job.
Who did the cooking there?
No, sometimes his sister go to the house
Uh-huh.
and cooking and tell me what I do.
So your priority is to take care of the old woman
Yes,
and
that's
also
it.
doing all the household chores, but you seldom cook.
Yeah.
But how about here in the Philippines? You
No.
did cooking?
Yes, of course I did.
You know how to cook.
Of course.
Filipino dishes.
Yes.
You can also follow instructions in cooking.
Of course I do.
How long did you work there?
3 years.
3 years,
Yes.
one employer.
Yes.
Okay. When did you start working?
When June 20, 2010
Until?
until March 3, 2013.
You mean to say you came back only this month?
Yeah.
Oh. So you have enough vacation now?
For me, yes.
And anytime your employer needs you abroad,
Yes.
you can go.
Of course, I like to go.
Soon.
Yes.
You are still single.
Yes, I am.
So no boyfriend yet.
Nobody.
No plans of getting married.
No, not yet.
And this time, how long are you planning to work?
Depends.
Depends. You know, you have a 2 years